Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Happy 30,000 again. Are we going for all-time highs? Or are we going to close the gap? That is the question of the day. Hopefully the market does not grind like a typical all-time high market yet. So far it's not looking best. I'm not gonna do ORB again. I'm gonna watch. We don't have many accounts. We just have the TPTs. And we're going for it. Same plan as last week. I should have 3 pro accounts, not 2. Oh yeah, I was gonna say. I did make $300 yesterday at the open on one of the accounts. So that's gonna be our last account that we trade today. First, I'll probably trade the eval. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what the price action is doing. I'll delete all the drawings. That way, chart's not laggy. A minute till the open. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome in. Member Monday, so we'll do a giveaway at some point for members only. Yeah, the price just seems so spaced out. I don't have a good feeling about volatility today. I don't know why. Hope I'm wrong. Hope I'm completely wrong on that. How are the TPT accounts going? Good. I got a nice $2,600 payout on Friday after split. It's gonna go heavy at TPT. This week I would like to make between 8 to 10,000 on TPT. That's my goal. And good luck. Let's see how the opening range would play. If this pushes higher above 324, nope. Yeah, choppy open again. Big spreads, massive spreads at the open. But this is also TPT, so I forget that TPT lags at the open. So if this breaks 345 and continues, I would place an order. So yeah, now I would place the order above the high here, 356, but it's pulling back. So it would have been tough ORB again. These all-time highs with the ORB just don't mix. The opens are just very like undecisive. Come on, a little bit more. See if it rejects that. It looks like it's getting a little heavy here, but let's see if that's just a fake out before it goes. I'm gonna take that 380 short. It does not seem like it wants to go down yet. $380 is still holding. Oh wait, is it rollover week? Daily volume here is. Need volume. I don't have volume. Well, actually, I could check. 783. No. 48,000 versus U is. Oh yeah, gotta roll over, guys. Gotta roll over. I'm on the wrong contract. As soon as I get out of this trade, hopefully alive. Not a good start to Monday. It's crazy strength. Like, now, do I cover this break even when it goes there, or? I'm gonna try to get out just to be on the right contract here. Yeah, it's gonna drop now, bastards, but whatever. I was on the wrong contract, so not a lot of volume. All right. Let's refocus here. That was not a good execution. Plus, the reason why that didn't work, actually, was the price the same? Is the price the same on the new contract? No. It's off by like $300, right? So I'm like 680. I think I did like 380, right? Well, right now it's very choppy. So my goal right now is to get one of these accounts to a reset amount. So the reset, you need like $750, $700 or so for the reset of these accounts. So that's my goal, to get one to reset. Then I could send another one, and that's the plan. Yeah, I just rolled over, guys. Thanks for Did I take any soccer in this weekend? Not much. There's no good games still. I don't think there's a single good game in the group stages. There's way too many teams that should not be in the World Cup. I don't know what the hell they were thinking. I think it's all marketing. Marketing, more games. The stupid hydration break is a joke. Biggest joke ever. That just tells you how USA is so greedy. But yeah, I looked at the, I don't know of any good games on top of my head. I did watch USA game. Yeah, that was Friday. Forgot about that. I watched Mexico game on Thursday. I watched Korea versus Turkey. And then I watched the Knicks game. Then when I watched the Hurricanes. But I know Germany's spanked. That was a FIFA rule, not USA. Yeah, but I feel like there's something to it. It's all money. Why do it now? You know, it breaks all the momentum. Yeah. So you guys know the hydration break is not for the players, right? It's for the commercials. That's all it is. It's for commercials, which has never. Hydration breaks could be on a per game basis. So if they're playing at MetLife and it's 99 degrees outside with 60% humidity or whatever, when it's badly humid, okay, do it in the second half, especially. First half, they should be fine. If they can't handle first half, then I don't know what they're in the World Cup in the first place. But it's all about the ad money, you know, commercials. And because back in the day when they had hydration breaks, like I think they did it in Africa, maybe. I don't know where it was. There wouldn't be no commercials. They would stay on the field. Do you think they were disrespectful scoring that many, or is it a sign of respect to the other team? It's the World Cup, dude. Everyone wants to get on the score sheet. Goal differential matters. Goal differential is a huge factor in who comes out of the group many times. All right. Anyway, doesn't matter. The only thing I liked was that they had VAR for what do you call it? Embellishment. I like that. Everyone complains about everything now because they do stupid stuff. The sports are becoming very soft. And the ticket prices and everything are just getting out of hand, and all those things are just. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm just voicing my opinion. I really could care less. I just think it's embarrassing to the sport of soccer or football, whatever you want to call it. That this is the display at the highest stage of viewership. It's not the higher stage of of players, right? It's the level of play in the club teams is much higher than in the World Cup, but there's more viewers right now, and they're pretty much embarrassing the sport, making it softer than it actually is. Hydration break. Oh, are you kidding me? It's all about the money. But maybe it's FIFA. Maybe it's not USA. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, we're just going higher, which is kind of annoying. Hate these type of markets. Yeah, once the group stages are over, the World Cup becomes a lot more fun. But there's way too many teams right now. There's teams that should. I don't know how they made it to the World Cup in the first place. Philip, you roll over, so September contract. Way more volume on September for sure. It's not like a debatable thing. It's a fact by a long shot. Simplistic doing well. All right, I don't know how we're gonna trade this. I really hate all-time highs, man. And it's going right for it. We are 400 points away from all-time highs again. Unbelievable. Yeah, they added more more teams, 7 more ad time, and more games, more tickets, more everything. It's been the same for the longest time. Why change it, you know? And then Italy doesn't make the World Cup. It's pretty wild. Think about shorting this, but I don't know. So strong. I'm short. See if I could get a dip to 680 again. Close. Yeah, it just gets bought up right away. Freaking crazy. Just gets bought up again. I placed an order there because if it goes, I don't want to miss it by it just getting bought up. But yeah, we're either gonna get cooked here or it's gonna go. It's an uncomfortable situation, you know, like no comfortable trades. I'm kind of forcing trades right now because I'm trying to go for a goal of mine for the week. So I'm gonna be forcing some trades if the price action is not optimal, but as long as we come up positive at the end of the week, that's what matters. But yeah, this is gonna maybe just fucking long. If I get out of this trade, I'm just flipping long. This market is just gonna go for all-time highs. Or if I blow this account, then the next account is just gonna hold long till end of. Just gotta get in at the right time. Man, look at this rip. Crazy, 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 guys. Well, that is not the start I wanted on a Monday. But that's usually the days I struggle the most. Grinding, trending days if they don't reverse. So I need a reversal here. Like I would love to long this. It's just not giving like deep enough pullback, so I'm scared, but that's silly of me. There's the account. Fuck. What a grind higher. Just pull back already. Oh my goodness. Nope. My entry's like the support. Yeah, I'm not shorting after this. After this, I'm longing until we see some kind of insane move. All right, I'm just going to flip long on the other accounts and hope for the best. So sad. Can't keep an account for more than a few days. But that's because I'm not using a stop. I'm just going all in. Now we're going to flip long on this one. Trend is your friend. Yeah, just keep that in mind when I go long in a few minutes. Just keep that in mind. You'll see what's going to happen. But yeah, we're going for all-time highs. So might as well go long. One gone. Not a good start. $30,000s have been absolutely crazy. I'm scared too long and short, yeah. I'm not scared at all. I'm fucking going for it, guys. This is gonna be my most spent ever in a month, and I'm gonna still make money. I'm not scared one bit. Just gotta go for it. Can't pike the trades. When they work, gotta go for it. When they don't work, they don't work. But when they work, you gotta make money. That's the only way to do this. There's a hole to the upside too, but for the market to go that fast to the upside is almost impossible. Sure, there's been something like that before, but okay, where do we long, chat? Where do we long? Do we just go for it? Should I just go for it? Trading is different for me. Patrick makes more money in a month than I make in a year, probably on the codes, by the way. And it's not the same. Of course, it's not the same. It has nothing to do with codes. It has to do with income. I made $70,000 last month. Do you think I'm not losing money trading? That's not TK. No more trading. Yeah, it's not this month. I also don't reset TPT accounts. This is not. This month is different. This is one of the toughest months. But when you get $70,000 a month in trading, right? You could spend more. That's one of the things. And of course, my stupid screen turns off because of. Can I pull the chat here? I'm gonna actually do that. Yeah, this month is a different month for me. I'm going all in for different things. If you're spending your payouts, it's a completely different game. Your trading is like diddle in the middle trader. How much money have you withdrawn this year from prop firms? Be honest with us. I don't have to do this on stream. I could just do it off stream because I would probably do better off stream when I'm trading like a maniac. But this market's not it. This is not volatile at all. This is a grind. My worst markets. I do pretty good versus what I spend. Okay, so what's the difference between you using your payouts versus someone using their code money? Trading is still gonna be just as hard. Still gotta make money trading. If I'll agree with this, if you're not making any money trading and you're resetting accounts and buying evals, hundreds of evals, hundreds of PA accounts, and you're not making money trading, then yes, that statement is correct. Where when you get code money, that makes that easier. But when you're making money trading and you make money every single month trading, there's no difference. Like you think there is a difference, but there is no difference. Why can't I make $1 million in trading? Right? Why can't I make $1 million in a year trading? I have no risk. It's still difficult. Trading is always difficult. That's why rich people that are not traders, if they went into trading, they would still not make money. Like you guys think like a millionaire, like let's say if I go to one of these owners of venues, right, from wedding venues, filthy millionaires, probably making 10 to 15, $20 million a year. If they started trading, you think they would make money? Of course not. Like you think they are, but they're not. Trading is going to be just as difficult whether you have money or you don't have money. It's just a little bit easier to obviously lose, but hey, at one point I had to sell my motorcycle to trade. Spending payouts and spending affiliate money. Well, for some people, for me, it's not. I keep my affiliate money separate. Pays off my mortgage. I try to keep that separate. If I'm not trading well, you don't see me trading with evals right now because I know I wouldn't be able to pass evals. That's how bad I'm trading. Evals would actually be more expensive than resetting these pro accounts because I actually can make money. You sold your bike for trading? Yes. In 2016 or 16. It was only like $4,000. It wasn't anything. I think I sold it for like 4,200. Okay, do I long this now? Yep, small caps with short trader. Good old days. Exactly. Trading is the hardest easy money. So like it's not any easier because you have code money. It's easier to blow accounts in the sense where if you're not making any money trading, but no, like it's still not easier because then you're losing your affiliate money. So then you're like an idiot. Then you're like, wow, I'm making money off affiliates and I still can't keep any money. I am absolute loser at this. That's how I would feel. But some people just do it for affiliate money, right? Some people just do it for affiliate money and that's their end goal. You know, they sign up with every prop firm that there is. They, you know, I get emails all the time, you know. Been talking about this for years now. Get emails all the time, especially now these new prop firms, they want to pay you monthly retainer. Like Funded Next, Funded Seat. There's one that I think starts with an L, Elvos or something. I can't even remember. They wanted to pay me. Day traders wanted to pay me, you know, and I don't jump on that. It's way more satisfaction than to make more money trading than it is in affiliates. Of course, now we're getting a pullback. I'm longing this pullback eventually, but that's when it's going to be a dump. That's when it's going to be a dump. I mean, I don't think we're going to close the gap today, right? So, but we still haven't closed this gap either. Have we closed that gap? No, right? No. Maybe we're going to close 929. Is it worth starting streaming? Yeah. You're not going to make money for a while because you're not going to be able to get codes. But is it worth it? Yeah, it's fun. I didn't do it for money. I didn't know you could make money trading on YouTube. When I started streaming, it was like maybe one day you could sell a course. That was the only way to make money on YouTube. You know what it was too? When I started trading and streaming, there was no streamers because everyone was doing like paid chat rooms. Anyone that was like good at trading, not saying I was good, but anyone that was actually good or they thought they were good, they would do like a private room. So YouTube was pretty open. Maybe the 680 long would be. Oh, now it looks weak. Unbelievable. Just mistimed the other one. I'm long. Going with the trend. Let's see how badly we get screwed on this. Oh, so far okay, but this is a trailing because this does not have buffer yet. It was only halfway down to buffer on Friday. The sell one just because of the trailing drawdown. Go. See if we could get this to buffer on this trade. Come on. We need this. There we go. Come on, get there. I don't know if that's going to give me the buffer, but it's going to be close. Yeah, $100 off. Not bad. All right, well, go with the trend. That's the lesson today, huh? When I was at 300K run, I had a lot of viewers. Yeah, I mean that's when prop firms were just starting out. A lot of the streamers that are smaller, well, they're not smaller now, but just time flies, so they grew. But there's at least like 5 streamers that were started because of me. Because I used to say, if you are someone that day trades futures and you trade from home and you're not working, right? So there's no like work from home type of environment. There's no reason why I shouldn't stream. And Pine Tree and 0 Day J, and there was a bunch of others that that jumped on way after me and Nutty were streaming. And now there's a streamer every day. There's someone new, pretty much. Yeah, you have to you have to take a huge payout. You have to be consistent. Now it's way different. Good point. Sadly, we didn't get that 680 long. Would have been great. Don't know. I think this is gonna make new highs now. If it's still strong, it's gonna make new highs. 800. We want to take one more pullback. Yep, no stop loss was the cheap accounts. You know what it was too? The no stop loss. It's not so much. It's not so much the rules of the prop firms, because there's hundreds of prop firms, or not hundreds, but you know what I mean. Tens of prop firms you could use no stop. The key was the NQ was not as volatile. So one contract, I could survive for 2-3 hours. Versus now, I mean, just so last trade, I lost a $2,000 drawdown in a couple of minutes. So the volatility is much higher. So back then, it was just a different beast. Yep, I treated it like a business, and I made a shit ton of money. And prop firms did not like that. So I was taking 10 ticks, yes. But if the trade went against me, I was able to work out of it. That's how it worked. So it wasn't like I entered and I didn't use a stop. I would continue to take 10 tick scalps until the account was either back to green or blown. So if I went and entered long here for 10 ticks, if that went against me, I wouldn't add and then get out break even. I would literally have 10 tick. I would have a 10 ticks, right? And I would take that, and I would take that, and I would take that, and I would take that. And those were all individual trades. So technically, I was using a stop. Number one. There we go. We just made 50 bucks. So technically, I did use a stop. But prop firms didn't want to hear it. Mentally, I wasn't using a stop. But technically, I was using a stop. But, you know, prop firms are a business. So that's when prop firms blew up. And it was crazy. Crazy time. But that back then, everything was genuine. You know, everything was genuine from, especially from my side. You know, there's no prop firms that knew who I was. Nothing was like, you know, there's no contracts. There was nothing. It's just, you just trade. Yeah, Apex right now, the rules are so tough. I'm not bothering with the new evals for now. Especially the way I'm trading, I'm not consistent enough to I don't even think I want to do any evals right now. I need to, but I don't feel like doing any evals besides TPT. I feel like the evals are just gonna waste my budget. I'd rather just reset, especially if I pass the 225Ks from TPT, $440 to reset. That's 250K evals, which is what I would buy. So the potential is actually, I haven't been this excited about trading in a long time. Like this is like unlimited potential. I don't look at percentages. Never did it as a trader. I don't even know what 250% means. I guess buffer versus drawdown. I never look at it that way. I look at it as, hey, I pay $100, I pay $200, and I can make 2,000, I can make 5,000, I can make 10,000. Sign me up, because I know in trading personal capital, I can't do that. If TPT changes the rules, you might be screwed. How am I going to be screwed? I've been doing this for 3 years, Sean. Come on now. You know how many times I've been hearing, oh, profits are going to change. You're going to be screwed. Well, I just had my second best month ever. You know, it's like, why you guys worry about what the prop firms are going to do? Who gives a shit? Think about it. How am I going to be screwed? When I'm going to make $100,000 trading this way, and then prop firms, and then TPT is going to change. Well, how am I going to be screwed? I just made $100,000. Like, you guys, sometimes you guys have too much of a too big of a worry and too much of a vision forward. Like, worry about now, today. What can you do today to be better suited for life financially, right? You have health and finances. Those are the two most important things in life. Obviously, family and love, whatever, but that's important too. But that's not related to trading. TPT is not going to change the rules. If they do, they're going to go under because, you know, like, why would they change the rules? And if they do, then we'll trade the way they build them. I mean, who cares? If I worried about what the prop firms are going to do in a few months or a few years or a few weeks, then I wouldn't have made 800,000. Because you know how many times I've heard, oh, you won't be able to do this when prop firms go away. I'm like, holy smokes. I'm about to long this though. I missed it because I had that order out. Oh, I didn't want two. I'm going to sell one by going profit. Okay. I'm just trying to make enough to have a reset here. Almost. Almost. Come on. A little bit more of a pop. We have enough. If I sell next pop. There we go. All right. So we made enough for a reset. There we go. That's the business, baby. Stupid monitor probably fixed itself now. Let's see. I have this OLED screen I always tell you guys about, and it went into cleaning mode. Oh. Apex sucks now. Their rules are pretty bad. Yeah, but if you could trade with them, and that was the only platform you could trade with, it would still make money. You still have the potential to make some money. But yes, right now, I think TPT, I'm just focused on TPT, but someone brought, one of my friends brought TRADEIFY to my attention. I didn't know TRADEIFY, on the 150K accounts, you could take out $5,000 per account per payout. It used to always be 3,000. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. No, the daily payout is less, but 5 days. I mean, can't get 5,000 in daily payout anyway. Not that good. TRADEIFY has 5 seconds or 10 seconds, I forget. When it's so nice out today, it's like in the 70s. Nice change after all the humid days we've had. I'm gonna get some work done outside. $2,500 daily for TRADEIFY. Actually, that's not bad either, to be honest. And the 150Ks. But is that over buffer or is that over 9,000? Do you have to get to 9,000 first? That would be the ideal situation, having like 20 daily payout accounts. Imagine. And you just make $100 per account. Well, you can't take it out. Usually it's like $500 minimum, but yeah, have 10 accounts, 15 accounts, make $500. Take a daily payout. Oh man. That would be yeah, that would not be compatible with ORB. However, you just trade a couple other trades and you do it. Take some other trades and hold them longer than 10 seconds and you're going to balance out. It's only 50% of the trades. And sometimes ORB takes more than 10 seconds. I am not trading Apex right now because I blew my accounts last week and a half. Basically all of beginning of June, so 2 weeks. Slowly bled them to death. I have not tried the new accounts yet, so the daily loss limit does not seem like fun time. Think about longing this. Oh wait, no, this account is already at payout, so we're gonna try to get something here. So we're gonna try to get a reset on this one and then reset an account and try to get it to a buffer. But the edge with TPT getting to buffer fast is volatility, and we don't have that right now. We do not have that right now. It doesn't seem like it. I mean, maybe we do. Maybe I'm just used to crazy volatility, so this doesn't seem like, but I think there's potential. I mean, 680 buy, you get to buffer 1 trade, 2 contracts. You make $200 daily on TRADEIFY and TPT daily payout accounts and you're fine. Yeah, but you always want more. You always want more. I just made $2,500 on TPT. This is from Friday. So I said in my Discord, if I make $10,000 this week on TPT, I'm buying this car. It will cost me around $30,000 to buy this car after I trade both mine in. But there's no PPF on it, so that's going to cost me another $7,000. Unless the car sells, then. But it's been on the lot for a while. Damn, are we not going to go back up? Are we going to? I mean, that would be ideal. If we could just sell off hard, then that bounce would be so juicy. I mean, right now we have $1,000 payout from TPT, so that's not bad. I mean, one day it's not bad. It's just when I'm trying to reset accounts, we still got to trade some evals on the Ninja Trader side. Got to make $400 to pass 25K evals. What is the car? It's a Porsche 911 Targa. It's not exactly this one. It just looks like this one. This is a GTS. I would buy a 4S, but same color, same interior. The pictures that the dealership took Makes it look white. Like they made it look white, but it's not. It's a sick color. Yeah, we're still bouncing though. Look at all these wicks at 680, guys. Try to scalp a little bit. All these wicks are nuts. Ah, terrible fill. Come on, bounce. And I'll put a break-even stop. Well, I'm still going to put a break-even stop. I'm not letting this go against me. Come on, go. These wicks should let it go. Come on, let's get to 750. Nope. Come on, that looks so ready to go, doesn't it? You know it's gonna go higher. It's just whether it's gonna stop me out before it goes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. That would be so insane if it went now. Who's selling up here? Jesus. Ah, and look at this slippage. Fuck, that's why you take your profit when you have it. Well, made like $100 on this, but damn, bastards, that looked so good to go long. I was happy with that entry. Well, I'm glad I set a profit stop because I got stopped at break even. But this thing's gonna break out of this 725. It's going to, and I want to be part of it. Having a little FOMO. Didn't even move yet, and I'm having FOMO. Like, this is not a good trade here for me, but if this just rips, I'm gonna have too much FOMO, so I'm gonna go for it. But still, like, kind of weak. Look at all these wicks. I'm afraid that it's gonna pop and dump. There's something on this level. I mean, there's so much battling going on. Ah, that's what I thought. Come on, rip it. I just can't hold. Nope, not going. Just rip it. Oh, yeah, now it's gonna go. Of course. Of course. That was such a good trade right here. If that would have just went. Oh, whatever. If the payout's approved, you're gonna just wait for it to get in the bank. There she goes. I suck. I felt like I chased it. That's why. Mm. Takes a week. Sometimes more than a week. Oh man, this could have been the money trade, but we needed this entry or even lower. This was a chase. Hit breakout trades, but there she goes. Just takes forever. Like it couldn't get away from my average soon enough. But this would have been, if I didn't get stopped out there, this would have been a nice win because I would have held it a little longer. These I was afraid. But we're almost got another reset. Come on, dump it. Dump it hard. Dump it hard. If we dump it, then we could definitely look for longs down here somewhere. But we just keep going higher. That's when it becomes very difficult. Damn. Could have made money on that trade though. Could have made money on that trade. That's the trades you got to take advantage of in order to be like very profitable with this type of reset mentality. Damn, we're talking about possums and raccoons in the chat. There we go. I like to sell off. Ooh. Heavy. I'm jumping the gun here, but this looks heavy. Oh, of course it stops right at that level. Silly me. Gotta get out. Chase the hell out of it. I thought I was gonna just keep selling. Hopefully he does. Oh no. Fuck. Well, goodbye second account. That was a fucking fake out. Jeez. They got me with that one. They got me with that one. If I survive this, then I am not touching these accounts for today. Damn, that looked so weak. Come on, continue lower. Of course. Of course, I chased like a dummy. Would have been fine. Come on, now it should roll over. Come on. No. Why is there so much support? Yeah, I'm just not feeling this. I mean, that went against me so fast. Like, I wish I could get that in the right direction. Like, every trade I take either goes against me or just stays on my average forever. And then by the time it moves, I get out for a small profit. Trading scared right now when I shouldn't be. Come on, dump it. I mean, I have absolutely bottom ticked that entry, so that's my fault. Come on, dump it. Dump it. It looks weak, but could turn bullish any second. Come on. Really, market? Are you serious? Like, I have to get out. Ah. Why can't I just get a flush in my direction ever? Like, the fuck was that? Like, look how it's playing game. Every time my like take profit or whatever, it's just playing games around it. I can't have an easy trade today. It's just so tough with these all-time highs. I never do well in these days because I chase. Settled for less there. Okay, one last contract. Hopefully this one dumps to 680. Come on. Like, this looks so weak. Like, I would never buy this. It's probably gonna go up. You know what they're doing. They're just waiting for me to get out. That's what they're doing. If I get out, it dumps. I don't get out, it squeezes. So squeeze it is. All right. I got you. At least we got out of the 2 contracts, so we have some breathing room. Come on. Just break down. For once, have a nice clean reversal to the short side. The only shorts I ever get that are clean are like the ones I chase. Never get the top and actually hold. Can this go? Come on. I know it's 80-20 and 720 is going to be the wall. But let's break it and it goes to 680. Come on. Come on. Unfucking believable. Just go. Why can't I have a big like move in my direction ever when I'm trying to hold? It's always like after I get out. Come on. I'm going to be patient. I am going to be patient. Whoever's buying up here is going to run out of money or contracts. They already did fake. This was the fake. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, I want my $1,000. Oh, why? Why? Who's buying this? Oh, I'm angry. Who is buying a deadly dip? We could have had $1,000, but no. Guess no 911 for Alpine. God damn it. Oh my god. Well, I think I was like, I'm pretty sure I was like, yeah, almost right at $1,000. Almost. Oh my god. Well, we got the reset money here, but we want more than that. Oh gosh. There's no patience. I just don't have any patience right now. I try to give it as much time, but bad entry again. Mm-mm-mm. I'm at 2K on my funded features rapid, so daily payout, but I want more. How much is the daily payout though? 2K? Oh gosh. This market. Yeah, market is just freaking dead today. Fortunately, that's how it goes when there's good news and stuff. Sad, but market's better when there's bad news from day trading's perspective. Desiree, good morning. 1K secured and the other account right now is at 1K profit. 2K payout, not bad. I don't know. I can't say you're greedy because I want more too, and I am at where am I at? I'm at 12, 13. I'm at 13, 1400. I'm at $1,400 payout. I think I'm gonna trade the evals for now. See what we could do here on the evals. So let's roll over on this one as well. How do I get the rollover contract? Someone help. Someone help me. Okay, got it. We got it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. U6. It's strange to use a fluid platform and then use NinjaTrader. Yes, yes, yes. But it's all right. We'll manage. As long as I don't have that stupid thing where you switch between minis and micros. But yeah, this price action is absolute trash. Today's going to be a tough day to get my $2,500 target. Kind of just similar to overnight session. It's a 4-day week. Markets are closed on Friday. So if you're from Europe, remember Friday markets are closed. CM, there's no slippage between various accounts for the most part if you're using limit orders. And right now I'm trading one account at a time, but I change it all the time. I've traded 20 accounts at once. I've traded 5 accounts, 3 accounts, 2 accounts. Right now I'm doing all accounts individually because I only have 5. Well, now I have 4. If you traded TP, eval, and pro in opposite direction, take profit will close the account. Yes. That's hedging. If they catch it. I'm assuming they will. But maybe you'll get lucky. Today's kids, you can't spank them. Yeah. The parents and teachers are afraid of kids nowadays. No, I didn't switch. I use both. Is it nap time yet or what? My God, we're just stuck in this 50-point range. Good thing I covered with the stop loss. I had $1,000 payout there. Damn it, so close. All right, $1,400 secured, but that's gonna be a reset. So we need to pass these two 25Ks. Then the resets become a lot easier. How do I get the price line on NinjaTrader? Who could tell me? I want to get the price to go across. Oh, it's an indicator. There we go. Thank you. See, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. What button do I hold to move the chart with the mouse? Is there a button I could hold to move around? I thought there was. Vink, yeah, I know. I saw that. Control. Thank you. I was pressing shift. See, you guys are awesome. We're going to do a giveaway today. Hit that like button. We're about to hit highs too. Oh, it's so much better when I could just move the chart. Yeah, we're going to do 2 giveaways. One for members, one for everyone. I got 8 Apex accounts to give away. They gave me a few codes. Oh, Daniel, please. So when I scroll, it moves it. I'm gonna go short. This is an eval. Wasn't there a way to like to be able to drag your target down, or am I bugging? Whoa! See, like I bet you that looked a lot better on QUANTOWER. Hmm. Hopefully that was a fake out. How much money do we need on this account? We need $400. I'll just buy it here. I don't think this is day 5 yet. Need to have an ATM to be able to drag and drop stop loss. Okay. Thank you. TRADEIFY accounts. Yeah, I'm short again like a dumbass. Why can't I just long today? Scroll wheel. I'm not seeing it. Just kidding. Be careful with ATM. I'm just gonna use this for now. I don't think the quickness is. I think it's just very grindy. Like today, it's just not a good scalping price action. Unless you're long and you're just getting it right. It probably feels a lot better. I'm shorting, so I feel like everything goes against me. I'm on the wrong side of the bid, basically, and it's just every time it goes in my direction, it gets bought up. Every time it goes in my direction, it gets bought up. So I did take some longs, and they were not easy either. And I gotta go pee so bad. This is where I miss hedging evals. So I have 2 evals that were like $400 away from passing, right? So what I would do is I would hedge and make $400 on one, lose $400 on the other, and then trade the other one and try to make it back. That was like my plan. So not being able to hedge evals is definitely something that I miss quite a lot. Yeah, this is going higher. She gonna rip. Uh-oh. Of course it's not gonna rip like I thought. Ah, fuck today's market. I'll be back. I gotta go pee. I'm probably gonna be done for the day. I can't get anything going. Wow, I didn't get stopped out. Oh. Mm-hmm. Let's start the giveaway because I'm pretty much done for the day. I just can't feel. I don't feel this market one bit. So first giveaway is for members only. So members enter. Now it's gonna pull back. Now it's a short. Watch how fast it's gonna dump now. This one's for members only. If you're not a member, you can't enter. If you enter into this giveaway, if I keep saying Alpine for this giveaway, you're banned from the main giveaway. Okay? Because I don't understand how people don't listen. Like, are you watching this stream or you're just here for a giveaway? Come on, go. If you're not a member, guys, if you're not a member, please stop spamming the chat. You gotta listen. You gotta listen, just like in school. Next week I'm changing. Next week I'm gonna change the code for the member Monday. Who's this Philip guy? Come on, Philip. We do member Monday every Monday, and people are still confused. No, if you're not a subscriber, you can't ever enter a giveaway. That's out of the question. If you're not a subscriber and you enter giveaways, you're just a bot. Philip, we'll be doing a regular giveaway as soon as I do the member one. The member one's quick. Member one is quick. Come on, Joey. Oh my God. Of all people, Joey, why you gotta... Oh, I'm gonna text you, Joey, right now. Come on, just mark it. Just go. She won't go either. We can't pass these 25K evals. It's crazy how hard it is to make $1,000 right now. Speaking of rides, I'm gonna go get a car wash today. Actually, perfect. As soon as I'm done with the stream, perfect weather for car wash. My car is filthy. I scraped my rim so bad on Thursday. By the way, I need to go to shop. This will not go. I just can't read the market one bit. It's too slow. So like keeps reversing in directions that I'm not anticipating. Of course, it's gonna stop me out. Shakeen, thank you. Can this go to my target, please? Yeah, such a slow day. I knew it was gonna be a slow day based on the pre-market, but I mean, one long would have paid for everything. Let's stick to the long. Any other members? We got 10 so far. Anyone else? About to pick so we could do regular giveaway. Well, there goes the freaking pullback. Just in the absolute worst spot. Fuck it. Okay, that's the max contracts. Yeah, I'm just gonna go max contracts, and if it bounces one more time, maybe we'll get close to passing or break even on the day. Because it's not going to my target. Come on, just bounce for me. Just bounce for me. There we go. A little bit more. Oh, I forgot. Forgot that I can't change this. Come on. How hard is trading right now? I'm so ready to be done with today, guys. I am so ready to be done with today. You're literally fighting for life for 5 points. Last week, 5 points, you didn't even realize the market moved because it was so fast. You could blink and it was 5 points. Now I'm here fighting for 5 points like it's 50 points. This is gonna put me at break even on a day if I get filled. You fucking piece of shit. Go! Oh, about time. About time. Oh, we passed. We passed. Wow, we passed. Done. Even tells me it's done. That's great. Oh, what a trade. Trading's easy, guys. All you need is some patience. That was a lucky pass. I didn't get... don't ask me how I got the execution lines. Maybe it's new Ninja Trader. I'm a dinosaur when it comes to Ninja Trader. All right, last call for members. This is for Apex. If you can't trade with Apex, then I'm sorry. Any other members? 3, 2, and 1. All right. So giveaway for members. Member Monday. Usually Golfy does these, but since we're doing another giveaway, we have no time. Here we go. We're not gonna do a race today. We're just gonna do one lucky winner. Here we go. Nomadic Trades. Congrats to you. And we're about to start new giveaway, but I am just going to change something. Maybe just get rid of the bots a little bit. All right, giveaway at 11:30. You got 7 minutes to enter. 7 minutes. Everyone can enter. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Yes, Tom. What day am I on my TPT account? Entries are closed. Sorry guys, hold on. What did I do here? What did I do? Yeah, I didn't start it yet. Now. Ban Alpine for effing up the giveaway.
Yes, Alpine's banned, guys. Alpine is done. He quit. I'm taking over.
Wait, let's see how far I am from eval pass. It's only third day. Only third day. I definitely want to trade more, but I can't. Today is just not the day. I'm going to flip the other account. I'm going to flip this account for like a few dollars. Okay, I got $40 in that. So that one is going to need $300, $330 to pass. We got 2 more days, so we're not going to rush it today. Ugh. See, the 5-day evals are just brutal. Forever. Takes forever. Okay, giveaway will be at 11:35 since I messed up. And I'll be right back. I'm going to go make myself a Nutella sandwich. Oh, volatility is coming in. It's the giveaway for Apex. Yes, it is. It is actually cold outside. A perfect day to work in the machine. Is this the reversal, guys? Do we go for passing this eval? That'll make $300. Why not? Maybe it's the time for the reversal now. Should be doing the giveaway any moment now. Last call. Last call. There we go. Getting close. Fill me. Son of a gun. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding. I wonder if that's gonna pass. I don't even know if that's gonna pass. It's gonna be very close. But first, it's gotta go against us. Crazy, crazy market. Wow, we missed it by literally like 2 ticks. Just to sit in this trash. Okay, as soon as this trade is done, we're doing the giveaway, which looks like it's going to be very, very soon. What a rip. What a rip. That was pretty badass. From one tick away. Can we get saved here? Literally was one tick, maybe 1 point. 1 point, not one tick. Not being able to drag this to exact amount I need kind of sucks too. Come on. Come on, go down. I forgot I could trade with this. Should have left this one alone, but no. Thought this was going to be a sell-off finally. Come on. Maybe I should just get out break even if I get a chance. So today has been absolutely terrible from every aspect. The only thing that's going for us is obviously the payout, but every trade has been absolutely terrible. All right. Giveaway time. As soon as this stops me out, giveaway time. That's how much time you have to enter. When this trade exits, we're picking the winner. Did I play any golf this weekend? I played 9 holes last night or late night, late evening. And I'm going to do the same today. A 6:40 tee time, get 9 holes in. Played pretty well yesterday, actually. Oh, wait, I played Saturday too. Forgot. I played Saturday. Saturday I did 18. The days just get mushed together. Yeah, Saturday I didn't play that well. Yesterday I played really well for my own score. I don't even judge my playing on score. I judge it based on how I'm hitting the ball, to be honest. If I miss a green, but I'm hitting the ball from 160 yards and I hit the ball and I hit the bunker on the left side of the green, I'm not mad. But when I hit the ball and it goes a million miles to the left or right, or barely goes anywhere because I chunk it, that's when I get mad. That's how I judge my game. My handicap, I would say, I don't know. I don't really, I might have it on my Garmin app. Let's see. Say 22. Because I still have blow up holes. I try not to take mulligans or more than one per 9. Everything's going just not in the direction I need it to go. Let's just do it. I don't give a shit about this trade. It's not gonna work anyway. If it does, it does. Who cares at this point? This is just an eval, so I don't even need that much. I needed a point. We're a point away from passing right here. And now we're gonna blow it. Which is absolutely crazy that this could happen. Austin, you ask me one more time and I will ban you. Jesus. I don't care about Apex's live account because I know I will not get any answers. All right, we blew that. So passed one, blew one. Like I have anything to do with the Apex live account. All right, giveaway time, giveaway time, giveaway time. Like every day, complaining about it and asking about it. Like I have anything to do with it. Here's my answer. Take Profit Trader. How much money have you taken out from Take Profit Trader? You could have made $50,000 by now. And then whenever you get your Apex Live account, that will be another, opportunity. All right. So this is for any size Apex. I think it works for any eval, to be honest. Even the no activation ones, but I'm not sure. So don't count me on that. I just got some codes. I didn't ask for details. Here we go. The winner is Stenroy. Congrats. I'm going to need you guys. So I need Nomadic and Stenroy to send me an email. Stenroy is not in the chat. I'll give him a minute. If he ain't here, he's not getting it. Stan, it was a good attempt, but you should have hung around. One more try. Nope. Can't tag him. All right. Here we go. Jay Styles. Let's see. Not in here either. Not in here either. Oh, he is. Okay. He's here. He's here. Congrats. Wow, what a squeeze. 1 point away from passing right here, and then we get squeezed to death. Should have just went long all day today. Very easy day. Just go long. And then Nomadic wins the member giveaway, which I think I have his email already. Yep. I got Nomadic. He already won a member giveaway in December. A long time ago. Oh man, yep. All-time high is coming right at you. Yeah. I just don't trade these markets well. Like, it's just so slow. Like, you go long and you still get stopped because they just do enough to why did all my charts change? But yeah, it's a crazy market. 300-point move today, but it's just very hard to long it. Every time you think about longing it, seems like Nomadic, I already sent you the code. I guess I'm gonna go get a car wash. Beautiful day out. Nice and cool outside today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So $1,400 payout today. We got to make $10,000 this week. That's the goal. So far, $1,400. Blue 1 eval, pass 1 eval, and blue 1 funded. So not a great day, but that's the days I hate the most. Grindy, uptrending days. Feels like a chase every time. And then, who knows? Oh, Stenroy is a member. All right, I'll make that exception. Stenroy, you are a member, so you missed the giveaway, but I will give you an eval because I have plenty. Just send me an email. Touchless car wash, hand car wash. Really good car wash. That's why I don't go often because it's far away. It's like 35 minutes. All right, Stenroy and Jay Styles, send me an email so I could send you guys the codes. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's do it again. Today is a short. This week is a short week, so we're gonna try to push early in the mornings and see where we could get. But if the market goes for all-time highs, we are screwed. Gotta set the expectations much lower. Gotta set the expectations much lower. We go for all-time highs. This gap is gonna fill though. That's what I was saying earlier. We're gonna fill this gap, but it was just not going in direction fast enough, so it's very hard to long say. And hindsight's easy. Just should have just held the first trade I took. Was this one or whatever? Yeah, this one. Should have just held that, and we would have made bank. Could have made our 9/11 money. Could have made 10 grand today. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I got to go because car wash by the time I get back, it's going to be like 2 p.m. Then I'm going to work outside from 2 p.m. till like 5 p.m. and then go play golf at 6:30. So busy day. Busy day. Glad I'm single. All right, guys. See ya.